Morning. I think I'm on day 64. I'm not really sure. I still have videos trying to upload. It's like a complete mess. Like some days are upload, like day 59 is still uploading, but day 62 is completely uploaded. So it's making it hard for me to catch you guys up. But hopefully today I'll be able to do that. It's already 11:18. I'm just not having breakfast. I had to take Cadence for her testing. And then I had to go to the store and get some water to fill the water thing until my husband gets home. And then it splashed up on my boob and now my whole chest is wet. I don't know. I'm gonna have breakfast now. I already put the espresso inside of my shake, but before I do anything, I'm gonna have my ginger lemon shot. The babies are already eating.
Can I show them my food?
No, baby, just eat. That was way. Poured an extra big shot by accident. Not gonna pour it back. That's just God telling me I need it. I weighed myself this morning. I did not gain any weight yesterday, even though I ate that marvelous cheesecake. It was delicious. Cheers. Get our super greens in real quick. Take the burn away. Two sugar graham, 2 apple ciders, 2 sea moss gummies.
Big block.
Pepper. So I already have my shake and my espresso inside. I just didn't add my creamer yet. It's day 60 something, but if y'all haven't been watching me, you already know. I mean, if you have been watching me, you already know. 2 scoops of Dutch chocolate, 1 scoop of vanilla protein, 2 tablespoons of Cafe Bustelo, and a tablespoon of this sweet and creamy. We're not going to Lexi's house today, baby. She's at work today. Okay, and then we went to her house 3 days in a row, child. I have my ice to my shake, and I like my shake like an iced coffee. That's why I make it this way. Alright, so it's kind of late. I probably won't be eating again till I'll make a snack before I go pick up Cadence from school.
You see me?
Yes.
Help me, I'm gonna fall back.
But other than that, that's that. And I'll see you guys when it's time to eat again. Alright, so I'm getting ready to go pick up Cadence from school. But I just wanted to eat some of this and make a tea before I go. So I'm going to eat some of this and then get in the car. Okay, so I'm making a tea and eating these vegetables. I totally forgot I got a new case that sticks to the wall. So I'm making tea to bring in the car and eating vegetables and this veggie dip. It's delicious. Beauty booster. Thank you, baby. Lemon tea. Cranberry aloe. Like, this is so good. I love raw vegetables. Mix it all up. Yummy. cauliflower, cucumber. So good. Cheers. I'm also gonna take one of these each before I go get my car. So I'm gonna take an energy and a multi. I should take this too because it says just to keep taking them. So I'll take one of these too. Alright, so my kids are eating pizzas. We got homemade pizzas for them. I am going to have, I'm gonna have ribs that I brought home from my brother's house yesterday with some barbecue sauce. Because that's just what I feel like eating and I don't feel like cooking anything. So I'm just gonna make this work. Well, I'm ready to go to bed. This sucks. It's 10:23. I'm not gonna have a dinner shake. I'm absolutely exhausted. It's been a very long day. I'm going to take all my gummies right now. Apple cider. Super greens. Sea moss. I got some vitamins for you.
I bet you do.
Target had new cups today. They were so pretty. I almost used my points got now.
How many points you gotta use for a cup?
400. I got 408. I almost used them, but I was like, let me wait till there's one that I'm like, oh my god, I gotta have that one. They were cute, but they weren't like.
Take you to get 400 points.
It depends on what challenges I get. I gotta complete challenges. I get extra points.
Typically, like average.
For 2 weeks.
What?
About to go get cleaned up and change my clothes. It's already 10:25. I barely ate anything today. Real life, real life, real life. That was my liver treatment. I just took. Debating if I should have a shake. Do you think I should have a shake? I don't really feel like having. I feel like getting cleaned up, changing my clothes, laying down. So that's what I'm gonna do. I will see you guys in the morning on the next video.